Everybody, Bob Sokoler, travel team experts aboard the celebrity ship Apex once again. This is Port Everglades and in Fort Lauderdale, which is just, the actual port is only about 10 minutes from the airport. And today we are going to take a tour of my room for this cruise. It is deck 11, room 205. This is one of the suites, retreat suites. So let me show you as we take you in. I'll first show you what the room looks like as we walk in. Very nice. Again, this is part of the retreat suite. And now let's take a look at some of the amenities that are in this cabin. So let's look at closet space, because I know that is always a big question. My luggage hasn't arrived. My carry-on I brought up with me, obviously. But there's ample space for two people, though if you're taking more than two suitcases with you, you may need an area to... Oh wait, is there one here? Yeah, there is. So there's some more storage here. But again, not a lot of space, but at least enough space to be able to store your stuff. Okay, into the bathroom. Here we go. So this is a really nice bathroom. I've stayed in this suite before in this level, and so nice two-person sink, a mirror vanity for makeup, a private water closet in here, and a really cool bathtub and shower. So here we've got the tub, and then the shower has rain head, body washer, spray. You just have to learn which is what, so that if it's cold, when you turn it on, you're not getting sprayed yourself. And probably one of the nicest things about this suite is that this mirror actually slides, and there's glass here, but it looks out into the rest of the room and then beyond outside. So that's pretty nice when you stop and think about it. Okay, moving back here. So one of the things I did not mention in the last video was this computer control, which is like an iPad, but everything is controlled from here. You can turn the lights off by pressing a button, turning them back on, put different types of mood lighting like morning, movie, evening, and sleep. So that's actually very cool. Okay, we move over now to the bed itself. It's a comfortable bed. I haven't slept in it, but I will tell you, I have been on this bed before. Not bad, not hard, not soft, but right in the middle. So hopefully that will attract you if you like it. It's a great bed. And for USB ports, so this side, it does not appear to have any USB ports. Of course, I could always be wrong. The other side has a plug and some lighting of controls. Now, the other thing is, in case you have not ever cruised before, you can put your luggage under here. If you notice, there's enough room under there to safely put 2-3 suitcases, normal big suitcases, but not if they're stacked high. You gotta make sure they're normal suitcases. Okay, couch. And they give you some champagne in this suite. The couch is okay, but I gotta tell you, this has been my main complaint in this suite, is it's hard. I mean, maybe there's a reason they're doing this, but quite frankly, I would love a softer couch, which would make it easier to relax and watch the big screen TV, which is nice. And let's go over to the desk. So, a couple of things. This table folds in if you want. I use it as a workstation when I got all my equipment set up. In here, there's a refrigerator, and if you're in the retreat, they stock it basically with whatever you want, and lots more drawer space and storage space and the regular amenities here. Okay, let's take a walk outside and see what the deck gives you in this class suite. Make sure you unlock it if you're going to open it. I forgot to do that. All right, so the deck, not terribly large. So that's one side, two sides, so one lounger, two chairs, one table. It's certainly not the biggest deck I'm sure they have on this cruise ship, and it's certainly not the smallest deck, depending on what class you're in. But for the most part, looking back, it's a great room. Again, Celebrity does a really good job with just about everything they do. Modern, updated. You'd think in this age that they would design the ships with USB ports on either side for you to be able to charge your phone while you're sleeping and be able to have access to it. Okay, so again, beautiful place to come. You can see how gorgeous the Fort Lauderdale is from beyond, and we are sailing in about 3 hours. So I'll try to supply some video of the buffet, because I had a request to extend a bit the buffet video, so I'm going to go up there and do that now. If you like the video, please do us a favor, subscribe to the channel and give me the thumbs up, because that helps us grow the channel. You know that, I hope. Once again, aboard the Celebrity Apex, I'm Bob Sokoler, Travel Team Experts. Thanks for watching.